Hello, as you can tell by the title, it is called What the F, aka it's called WTF. So I just had a performance. Oh my god, I just had a performance and I think I did terrible. I mean, it was a good song I did, which I will release later. It was a good song and things in the way. Actually, my performance side, I could have did 1,001 times better. So I just want to tell you that because let's be honest, the video I was supposed to release today. It's already late and it's gonna be late because I haven't had time to edit it. So yeah, that's that. And I just really want to release a video today. I guess it's more better time than right now. I kind of think I just didn't do as good as I should have, or focus camera. Stay on, stay still. As I could have or as I should have. I mean, it was a good song, but I just think there's so much that I can improve on. And that being one of my first performances ever, I think I got a lot from it. So I shall improve. That's what you got out the shower. So if I look a little, that's why. And I'm just gonna sit here, reflect. I actually watch on YouTube, but then reflect. Write down what I need to do for my next any entertainment, whether it be a video, another performance, or anything. Write down what I need to do and just do me. And y'all should keep doing y'all. That's right. Y'all just keep doing y'all. Bye.